174 pounds, beat Joe Latham for Oregon State in the black and orange with the green anklet. A junior out of Bismarck, North Dakota. And he'll be taking on John Dickson, a senior out of Virginia Beach, Virginia, Frank W. Cox High School. Kind of a journeyman on this Virginia Tech team. Has stepped in, starting roles when needed. Right now, he's needed as Virginia Tech doesn't have returning starter Austin Gable in the lineup due to injury. We'll see another Cox High School Falcon, Chris Penny, up here eventually for Virginia Tech at 197. A 15-16 score lead for Virginia Tech, leading Oregon State. Of course, big story thus far has been wins at 125 by Joey Dance with the fall, and then Zach Nybert's upset over Scott Sakaguchi to put the Hokies in control with 74, 184, 197, and heavyweight remaining. No score here in the early going. It's Joe Latham and John Dickson. Definitely a match on paper. You feel Oregon State likes their chances. And possibly even a bonus point situation. Hokies showing a little bit of depth here. Quick go behind. There's 2 points for Latham. He strikes first with a minute remaining in period number one, a 2-0 lead. Here at 174, looking cradle. Dickson going to stand up and out of it, get the 1 point escape. There's the escape for Dickson as Latham back on the attack. Dickson with a half shot. Latham looked like he had an opening there for another go behind, but two are back on their feet. A high C attempt, doubles off. Nice 2 point takedown there for Latham in short time to extend his lead now to 4-1 as the first period will come to a close here at 174. Latham quickly says he'll defer. Dickson looks over to his bench. Coach Kevin Dresser says, all right, coach, I'll take down. And now that we got that false start taken care of, back to action. Dickson up to his feet. Latham trying to lift and return. Back trip. Maintains control, throws the half into the right side. Dickson up to his feet again. Latham tries to back trip again. Trying to lift. Trying to bring Dickson back down to the mat. Finally does. Looks back up. And we're still in bounds, believe it or not. He's got the leg. Shelfs it, going to try to bring it in. Dickson showing his length there. Dickson going to not just push off. I think we typically call that a mule kick, but usually that's when you're going the other way, not facing the guy. That's just a straight up kick. Either way, Latham's going to maintain control. The minute to go in the second period. Riding time now up over a minute. course, riding time was the difference in our previous bout. 165 with Tony Che knocking off Chris Moon. You see Latham going back to that back trip. Now Dickson going to turn and face. Up and out for the 1-point escape. So it's now 4-2. The lead for Latham. Trying to work that 2-on-1 tie to the near side. Trying to drag it down to the mat. Dickson hanging on a collar tie with his right arm. Coming up on the 10-second mark here in the second period. Latham in control, 4-2 with riding time. Dickson trying to look to work off something with this front headlock on the edge. Well, Latham looked like he tried to blast in there, but time was out. And Latham quickly knows, I'm going to start in the down position here in the third period. Again, a 4-2 lead for Joe Latham over John Dickson. Virginia Tech leading this duel, however, 15-6. And up and out is Latham. Maintained his riding time advantage. Now it's a 5-2 lead. Dickson looking sweep, looking underhook. Showing a little bit more action than we saw in the first 5 minutes of the bout. Dickson in on the single leg, and Latham going to bail out of that. Fights it off. Fresh start, 1:03 to go. But we alluded to this possibly being a bonus point situation. Has not developed in that way. Half shot by Latham, countered with a front headlock by Dickson. And Dickson stepping in for injured starter Austin Gable. No, it's spelled differently in case you're wondering. Gable spells his name G-A-B-E-L. Second mark, Latham still with that 5-2 lead. Dickson, little trip's going to get a takedown here in the final 10 seconds and going to quickly cut Latham free. It's 5-4, now 6-4. Too little, too late. Tack on a point for riding time. Made it interesting. Joe Latham going to pick up a 7-4 victory. Here at 174, it's now 15-9 Hokies.